Popular notions about the discipline of psychology. Psychology and the discipline of psychology we have learned. Now we will look into the notions of the psychology. So what are notions? They are ideas, beliefs or vague knowledge. That is unclear knowledge about something. So why it is popular? Because it is supported by many people. Before going to the topic in detail, please remember to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Reasons to understand the notions. It is very important for us to understand the popular notion regarding psychology as a discipline, because without its knowledge, all of us will consider ourselves as a psychologist. The reasons are: we explain behavior, that is, how we explain the behavior of others with our common sense. And this common sense varies from individual to individual. The common sense what you have is different from the common sense what I have. And based on our common sense, we are explaining others' behavior. Then common sense always cannot be true. Sometimes it will be true and sometimes it will go wrong. Then it explains phenomena on the basis of experience or belief. If you explain something, then you might have experienced the same thing before, or you believe that this thing happened because of this. Based on that, you explain a phenomena or an event. Then explains event after they occur. Once something is happened, then we explain it. It is because of that or something like that. We explain an event after they occur. So because of these reasons, we should understand the notion. Common sense and psychology. What is the difference? We'll see. Common sense is not a specialized knowledge. What is it? It is a generally available knowledge. And the common sense is based on hindsight. What is hindsight? It is the ability to understand an event or a situation only after it has happened. We will look into an example. Consider you have a friend in your neighborhood and that friend moved to a distant place. If you are able to find a new friend, how the people explain your behavior? They explain your behavior that out of sight is out of mind, because your friend moved to a distant place and you found a new friend. So your behavior is explained as out of sight is out of mind. Consider, if you are unable to find a new friend, you will keep remembering your friend fondly. In that case, what people say? They explain your behavior as the distance make the heart grow fonder. So in both the cases, the explanation by the people is followed by the occurrence of your behavior. But psychology as a science look for patterns of behavior which can be predicted. That is, it is not explained after the behavior occurs. Then scientific knowledge generated by the psychology often runs against the common sense. Study by Carol S. Dweck. She is an American professor of psychology. She is best known for her work on the mindset of psychological traits. She conducted a study in 1975 because she was concerned with children who gave up too easily when faced with difficult problem or failure. Common sense tells to give them easy problem so that they can increase their success rate and their confidence will grow up. Then later when we give them difficult problem, they will be able to solve because of the newfound confidence. Dweck's study tested this common belief. She took two groups of students. They were trained for 25 days in solving math problem. The first group was given easy problem which they were always able to solve, and the second group was given mixed problem with easy and difficult problem. So the first group was given easy problem that they were always able to solve, and the second group was given mix of easy and difficult problem. And because of the difficult problem, what happened? They failed. Then the training period is over after 25 days. New set of math problem were given to both the groups. What DWECK found was against the common belief. What was the common belief? If you give easy problem, then they will find confidence, and because of that confidence, they will be able to solve difficult problems. That was the common belief. But in this study, what happened is like those who always succeeded because they were given easy problem, they give up much faster when they faced failure than those who had experienced both success and failure. Because these groups were taught to attribute failure to their lack of effort. So the first group, they were much worried, but the second group, they are able to see their failure as an opportunity to do better in the future. So this was Carol S. Dweck's study, and the study result was against the common belief. Notions example. Many other common sense notions which you may not find to be true. It is believed that in some culture that men are more intelligent than women. Another belief is women causes more accidents than men. Empirical studies have shown that both of these are not true. Another example is you won't be able to give your best performance if you are asked to perform before a large audience. Psychological studies have shown that if you have practiced well, then you may actually perform better because of the presence of others that help you perform well. Then some people are mistakenly believe that psychology is simple and easy. One reason might be because many tend to assume that since they have so much personal experience with human behavior, they will naturally be expert on the subject. Psychology might be relatively a young science, but it is a real science. Keep in mind that human behavior can vary and change over time. So what is true on one peculiar time and place might not necessarily apply in different situations or settings, cultures or societies. What we have learned regarding the notions of psychology. Let's have a quick recap. We have studied the reasons to understand the notion, the difference between the common sense and psychology, then study done by Carol S. Dweck, then few examples of notions. Hope you like this video. Please share this. See you on next video. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you.